Alright, this is John here, and we are moving on to Clojure Koans number 15 about refs. Refs are a way to manage state in Clojure. So unfortunately, the world has a lot of state, and Clojure is a practical language, so it helps you deal with that state that we all wish didn't exist. So here we go. Def the world ref hello. So we're going to make a ref with the initial value hello and bind it to the symbol the world. Alright, so we've got the world, and then we'll go and we'll make bizarro world, which will be a ref within empty map to start with. Bizarro world. Alright, so let's get rid of these annotations here. In the beginning, there was a word. Alright, so we do deref the world. It's going to give us the value inside of the ref the world, and that is hello. And we evaluate that, and we see down below that evaluates to true, so we got that right. So moving on, you can get the word more succinctly, but it's the same. Alright, so we're going to deref the world with the @ symbol. So that will still be hello. Good, got that right. Moving on. You can be the change you wish to see in the world. So we will have a do block here, and then inside of that we'll do transaction ref set the world better. So we're going to change the world from hello to better, and then after we've done that, then we will deref that ref, and so now it will say better instead of hello. Good, got that right. So moving on, we will bind the function here to exclamator, where we just add an exclamation mark to whatever comes in, concatenate the exclamation mark and return it. So in our transaction, we will alter our ref by calling this function on it. So right now it says better, so then it will come in here and have this function called on it, so it'll get an exclamation mark appended to it. That'll happen again and again another time, so in the end we end up with better exclamation exclamation exclamation. Alright, got that one too. Don't forget to do your work in a transaction. So we can't just say ref set the world ref set the world 0, because it wouldn't be in a transaction. And there's our compiler warning, no transaction running. Alright, because that wouldn't be safe in a multi-threaded context, so we'll do sync ref set the world to 0 and run that. And we got that right, good. Next, functions passed to alter may depend on the data in the ref. So we are going to alter the world, and we want to pass in a function that adds to what's there, and it's going to add 20. So let's say we have a function that's got our existing value, say v, and we are going to add 20 to it. One more, 2. Okay, let's try that. Alright, we got that right. So we had 0 in there, and now we made the function that we passed is just going to add 20 to that 0 that we had. Another way to write this more succinctly would be partial plus 20. Which doesn't work anymore because we altered the world. So we need to run. And there's our problem with state right there, huh? Alright, we need to go set the world back to 0 and do that again. And now it's true. Okay, good. Moving on. 2 worlds are better than 1. We have the answer of our thing here is a vector real Jerry and Bizarro Jerry. So we have our do block again, then our do sync transaction. We're gonna set the world to be an empty map. We are gonna change the world to associate real Jerry to the keyword Jerry, and then Bizarro world will also have Jerry associated in, except with the value Bizarro Jerry. And then we return that as a vector. So here's our vector. And we'll do the keyword function Jerry on our dereft the world. And then we will run keyword Jerry on our dereft Bizarro world. And we have extra parenthesis we rid of, and evaluate that. And it's true as well. Alright, good. So we saw all about how refs work. Thank you for watching.